Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to do SUBSCRIPT in Google Docs. So let's say we have this chemical equation right here and we want to subscript, for example, this 6, 12, and this 6 right here as well. So first I want you to highlight what you want to subscript. So let's highlight 6. I want you to come here, click on Format, okay, the top panel. If you don't see this top panel, you're probably in full screen. So if you're full screen, I just want you to go ahead and press the escape button. Okay, when you press the escape button, you get all of those options as you can see right there. And I'll go ahead and highlight this again. Then we go to Format. Once we are here, I want you to come here and hover over text. And there you go. You see this? Subscript. Okay. And there's also a shortcut. So you hold Control plus the comma. So I'll just go ahead and click on this for now. And for these ones, I will go ahead and use the shortcut to show you how easy it is to do. And there you go. As you can see, it is done, and it's really that easy and simple.